Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Oanda app on iPhone. Oanda is a globally recognized online forex and CFD trading platform. It allows traders to access live currency markets, view advanced charts, manage accounts and execute trades directly from their mobile devices. The Oanda iPhone app is designed for the convenient trading on the go with real-time price updates and secure account access. However, you may want to uninstall the app if you're not using it anymore. The app is not working properly, you need to free up storage space. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. And in order to uninstall from the home screen, what you can do is simply unlock your iPhone, go to your home screen and find the Oanda app icon over here. Simply press and hold this Oanda app icon for about 2 to 3 seconds. A small menu will appear. Tap on this remove and it will again ask for the confirmation. Tapping on the delete will confirm the deletion of the app Oanda and it will disappear from your iPhone completely. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.